My name is Jose Fernando Lopez. I am from Guatemala City and I am a plastic surgeon. It's a little bit daunting when you want to change something. Usually it takes a long time. But today at the course, I had the opportunity not only to see theory, but put it in practice immediately after. And it's not the same when it's a communal group. This was very individualized, which it was wonderful. Every single question that I had, even if it was from 1 millimeter to putting a stitch this way or the other way. So Dr. Davis was kind enough to be there and show me, then I could do it by myself, which is invaluable. We have to keep innovating. The more you can be in control of your surgery and the outcome, the better surgeon you'll be. It's always better to see than not to see. With this technique and with this instrument, you can be more precise and have more control in your result.